Good morning folks, welcome back to my channel. In the previous video we have already seen that we got most of the components ready, that is seat and the stuffs that were requiring paint job that has been painted. In today's video we are just going to start the rewiring thing for our scooter, and for that we'll have to make a lot of modifications and stuff. So we'll take a look at all of them one by one. So without wasting much time, let's begin with the job. The first thing that we have to do is we have to get rid of the accessories so that we could take out the front horn cast, as well as it would be easier for us to walk upon the front side of the scooter. So let's begin with that first. Just a word of wisdom for all you Beery tribe out there: whenever you are going to walk upon your scooter, or for that matter any kind of vehicle that contains lot of grease and filth, it's always advisable to use certain level of precaution. For that you can use a surgical glove, or for that matter any other rubber glove which you deem fit, and that way you are going to take care not only of your fingers, but also many times what happens is the dirt and filth which have accumulated over years may contain certain germ which may have some really harmful effect. So take care of yourself and keep building, keep riding.
Oh my God, oh Lord. Can't get any lower. Wish I could give you me, the me that we both need, the need that keeps us free, the free that we believe in something more, the more that we adore the way you used to smile before you close the door, a door that never opened, an open frame of mind, a mind in constant battle, never let it fall behind the reasons lie, a lie that broke apart, a part of me that's lost forever in my heart, a heart that's only beating, a beaten path escape the false and unconvincing separated fate, a fate that paints a pictures are just pieces frozen from the cold and lonely dark spaces you left open, an open mind slowly shutting with the clock ticking off dirt and getting hot thoughts, frostbitten, bitten flesh bleeding, drunk, dizzy, breastfeeding, feeding off your vibes won't be easy while my head's sleeping. I'm sleeping in the bottle of emotions that you threw in the sea a long time ago, hoping it would get to me, I never let it, I let it fade to black magic and angels playing charades. It goes oh my God, oh Lord, you can't get any lower when you're laying on the floor, oh my God, oh Lord, you never get enough because you're always wanting more. It goes oh my God, oh Lord, you can't get any lower when you're laying on the floor, oh my God, oh Lord, you'll never get enough because you're always wanting more.
So you live within your means, don't spend it all. It would've took, take the dive, don't pretend to fall. Falling faster, speed it up and away from here. Hear me really not containing fear. Fearless, no, I hope you hear this here though. Powerful, but moving real slow.
So folks, we have taken out most of the stuffs which we have already covered in previous video regarding how to actually take them out of the scooter. So that was the reason that I had fast forwarded the entire video that I recorded for dismantling of those parts. Now what we have to do is we have to take out this cable from here, and likewise as in case of the previous scooter, we have to push it outside from this direction. Let me take out these tools. Okay, so from here you have to take them out, and as you can see, once it's done, we have to go ahead with installing the newer set of wires that we have from that scooter. So without wasting much time, let's begin with the task.
Oh my God, oh Lord, you'll never get enough because you're always wanting more. I got my cigarette lit as I walk to the corner alone. I got my swagger on, left all the motion at home. This is my heartbeat through music and madness. Mad at the world, but it ain't so bad, is it? So when you smiles like your khakis and corduroys, this is the aftermath of mayhem when boredom destroys. So keep walking, there's no use for destination. I'm miles and miles from here, patiently waiting. It goes oh my God, oh Lord, you can't get any lower when you're laying on the floor, oh my God, oh Lord, you never get enough because you're always wanting more, oh my God, oh Lord, you can't get any lower when you're laying on the floor, oh my God, oh Lord, You never get enough because you're always wanting more. Like, oh my Lord. Like, oh my God, my Lord. Like, oh my Lord. Like, oh my God, my Lord. Like, oh my Lord. Like, oh my God, my Lord. Like, oh my Lord. Like, oh my God, my Lord.
Thankfully, the entire wiring harness is finally out. It's a big relief, I must say, cause it's not really an easy task as it may seem as of now on the video. However, there's one thing that we still have to do, and that is to place it back, and that's a real difficult thing and a challenge in itself. We'll be doing that later cause we have to do a lot of preparatory work for that. Till the next time, stay tuned, build it, ride it.